Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Agent Lab. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of agent perception. Think about it. For an intelligent agent, whether it's automating responses to server outages or diagnosing application errors, the ability to gather information from its surroundings is absolutely fundamental. Just like we use our senses to understand the world, agents rely on various mechanisms to perceive their digital environment. This video will break down these mechanisms and illustrate their importance in IT production and infrastructure support. So, what does perception actually mean for an agent? At its core, it's the process through which an agent acquires and interprets information from its surroundings. In the context of IT, this involves various sensors. Think of them as the agent's eyes and ears. These sensors can be software components or APIs that monitor system logs, performance metrics, network traffic, and even user reports. However, simply collecting data isn't enough. The agent needs to interpret this raw data to develop a meaningful understanding of the current state of the IT environment. For example, an agent might detect a spike in CPU utilization on a server. That's raw data. But perception is when the agent interprets this spike as a potential sign of an application bottleneck or a denial-of-service attack. Let's break down some key aspects of perception in IT support. First is data acquisition. Agents need to be able to gather information from a multitude of sources: system logs, performance monitoring tools, security alerts, and even user-submitted tickets. But the IT environment is noisy. That leads us to the second aspect: filtering and noise reduction. Agents must be able to sift through the vast amounts of data and identify what's truly relevant. Then comes interpretation and understanding. This is where the magic happens. The agent needs to correlate different pieces of information to understand the underlying problem. For instance, seeing both high CPU utilization and slow application response times could lead the agent to infer a potential server overload. Finally, context awareness is crucial. An agent needs to understand what constitutes a normal operational state to effectively detect anomalies and potential issues. A sudden dip in network traffic might be normal during off-peak hours, but a critical concern during business hours. Let's look at some concrete examples. In production support, an intelligent agent could be continuously monitoring application logs for specific error messages that indicate a recurring issue. Another agent might be analyzing database query performance to detect sudden slowdowns. And yet another could be learning normal user behavior patterns to identify potentially malicious activity. In infrastructure support, agents could be monitoring critical server metrics like CPU and memory usage, analyzing network latency to pinpoint connectivity problems, or even automatically responding to alerts from monitoring systems about potential hardware failures. Time for a quick quiz to test your understanding. Let's see how you did. The answer is B, analyzing server CPU utilization. That's a direct way an agent gathers information. Let's look into next quiz question. And for the second question, the answer is B, to turn raw data into meaningful understanding. Interpretation is key to making sense of the collected information. So, in this video, we've learned that agent perception is a fundamental aspect of building intelligent automation in IT support. We explored how agents acquire, filter, interpret, and contextualize information from their environment. We also saw various examples in both production and infrastructure support scenarios. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone looking to leverage the power of intelligent agents to streamline IT operations and improve efficiency. Thanks again for watching the Agent Lab. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on intelligent agents. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. We'll see you in the next video.